Alright guys, so we're on scene at the courthouse right now. First they called them back because the sheriff department reported that somebody pulled the alarm, but then they got alarms, from all over the courthouse. So they are coming to check it out. We'll see it over there. Hi guys. Yep, they're there. Hold on. He's over here right now. Then there's the fire police there. Hold on 1 second. I'll put my helmet on. Is Engine 101. Originally they called out Station 24 Vanport, 101 Beaver, 63 Brain Township, and RIT 23 Rap Intervention Team out of Rochester. Hold on. So then they called them back, and Sheriff was advising that it was a false, or somebody pulled the fire alarm. But then they got alarms from different sections of the courthouse, so they called, so Beaver said that they would come up and check it out. There's a chief. So as you can see, Beaver Engine Company is going into the building now. We'll get you information once it comes clear. So, alright guys, so looks like Engine 101 is going to be leaving at this time. The county here, so. And there is Engine 101 and fire control, or not fire control, I mean traffic control, or fire police, I mean. Wow, it's real good. Alright guys, well, guess we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.